Let's talk about how to find the right seat setup for you. And it's all in the height and the angle. And there's a very simple test that we can do to know that we've found that sweet spot. And that's a very simple test of breathing in, breathing out, letting your body go loose. So if you look at this image first of all, you can see straight off the bat that the shape that Jonathan's body is in is no good. His body is collapsed into a C shape, bringing him forward. And you can see that even clearer as he takes a deep breath in, out, lets his body go loose. He's going to exert a lot of effort to be able to hold himself upright, and that's exactly what we don't want. So first adaptation is he's going to add a small angled seat wedge. Again, taking a breath in and out and letting his body go loose. You can see it's very marginally better, but still he's collapsing into a C shape. Now, second one, he's going to add a thicker angled seat wedge. This is adding a little extra height and a tilt forward to make sure that his hips remain higher than his knees. Now, as he takes a deep breath in and out, you can see that his pelvis is propped into a better position and his upper body is not collapsing so much on that out breath. This is significantly better. However, one final tweak can just be that extra little bit icing on the cake. So now he's adding a second small seat wedge. This is giving him the extra height that he needs because of the length of his legs, etc. To mean that his hips remain higher than his knees, his feet are flat on the floor, and his pelvis is tilted into that forward angle position to that perfect sweet spot. He takes a deep breath in, all the way out, lets his body go loose, and he's holding up effortlessly. This is the sweet spot.